Going down these stairs to the damn waterfall down here. It's like an adventure.
I know.
It's like you need some ropes.
Yeah. Wow.
Steep.
Yeah.
Wow, I smell a stink bug.
What? Yeah.
I smell a stink bug. Smell it?
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah. Man, this is an adventure here, isn't it, man?
What he said.
Good God. Oh, it ain't that bad right here. This waterfall, we came from the top. We came down these stairs. Look at these stairs. They go all the way up to the top. It's like amazing how steep these stairs are. And it's slippery because it's raining, like sprinkling right now. And you can hear the waterfall. The waterfall's down here. This is very steep. This is not a tour for little kids or old people. That's for sure. Coming up down to the waterfall right now. Oh my God! Look at the waterfall. Hey, baby. Oh my God! Look at that. It's blowing mist.
Huh?
It's blowing mist. I don't want it to get on the camera. Here, hold this. That is a lot of water coming out of there, man. It is like, you can feel the mist. The mist is like really thick here. If it gets on the camera, it might ruin it. So I'm gonna shut this off.
You wanna go down?
Yeah.
Okay.